First impressions of my DJI Mini 3. My first impression is this case looks really fancy, but it's a real pain to get everything in and out of. It's a little on the snug side. This is not flagship by any stretch of the imagination. It has a lot of stripped down features, but if you're going to manually fly it, none of that really matters too much. What I was most concerned about was what it was going to look like, the video. I wasn't too concerned about how it was going to fly. I knew it would fly well. But let's look at the video. Now we're looking at this video and I'm going, this is like full auto mode video. There's no log, there's no anything, but I can use this video. This video is great. Way better than I expected, actually. I'm very impressed with the video. The Flymore kit that I got came with this controller with the screen built in, and I like it. What I didn't like as much is the sticks are very, very light. I feel like it was designed for people who fly like this, and I don't. I fly with my thumbs. And I caught myself, instead of being able to go straight, sometimes I'd be like drifting a little. Compared to this DJI controller that I use for my Neo, it's a little stiffer and a little more, I don't know, it's just easier for me to fly perfectly straight with this one. I guess maybe I'm used to the stiffer controls, whereas these are just a little bit, they're just lighter. And it kind of, it's going to be a learning curve for me. That said, this thing flies great. It's a lot faster than I thought. The footage is fantastic. It's not a very expensive drone. It's super light. It's under the 250 grams. Sadly, I wish that it had the option to turn on remote ID for me personally, because, you know, Part 107, all that kind of stuff. But this is the quietest drone I have ever flown. This thing is so quiet. I looked it up. The dB rating on it is roughly conversation level. Every other drone I've ever looked at, matter of fact, let's see, the dB for the Phantom 3 at just hovering is 90 dB. The Neo, let me grab that. The Neo, first edition Neo, with the guards still on, the way it comes from the factory, is 81 to 82 decibels. This crazy thing comes in the upper 60s. It is so quiet, which is so nice. I took it to a park the other day, which is right adjacent to a dog park, so there's a lot of dogs around. And I flew this around the parking lot area, where there were people walking their dogs, and none of the dogs even noticed it, and I wasn't 30 feet in the air. None of the dogs even paid it any mind, because it's just that quiet. So yeah, I highly recommend this little bugger. I imagine the fourth one is even better. This is my new backpack drone. I mean, this is just fantastic. So what about you? Would you fly this little guy? Because you know I will be. In other news, I'm also offering one-on-one coaching via Zoom right now. So if you need to know about photo, video, drone, lighting, sound, any of that good stuff, hit me up. There's some information below. I love my drone. I actually do love this drone.